All right, traders, we are still on XRP on the 15-minute chart. We're going to break this trade down with the trend surfing process. This is step one, surf where the waves are. So just to go back to the analogy, these surfers sit here every day and they surf and they know exactly where to sit. So they're not going to sit just somewhere random. They're going to sit exactly where the peak energy of that wave is going to come through, and they can pop up on that wave. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We are going to sit where you're going to catch that beginning of the trend. We're not going to get in the trend halfway through. We're going to get in at the entry of the trend. We're going to sit where the waves are. So that's step one in the trend surfing process. Surf where the waves are. Well, in this case, where are the waves? This is the 20 period moving average. This is the 200 period moving average. There's only a couple places that the waves are going to break out of that. And we want to find a place where these two moving averages are relatively parallel to each other. It's nice when they come together and they touch, but in this case, they're relatively parallel. The market's in between them, and it clearly breaks out. These candles are much larger than any of the 30, 40 candles before that. Breaks out. This is XRP on the 15-minute chart. So if you were sitting here in the lineup ready to go, just like these guys, if you were sitting there ready to go on the 15-minute chart in XRP and you saw this breakout bigger than all of these 30, 40 candles, you would know this is a powerful wave and you're ready to go. So that's step one of the trend surfing process. Surf where the waves are. Now on step two, or on the next video, I'm going to go over step two, which is catch a powerful wave. If you want to know more about this process, you can hit up this QR code, and I've got a community of traders that I'm training. I do group coaching in the community as well as private coaching. So hit up that QR code and I will see you in the community.